Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a beautiful combo chart in Power BI, the kind of visual that instantly gives clarity about your sales and profits over the year. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a polished, easy-to-read combo chart from scratch, and you'll learn a few pro tips for getting your visuals to really stand out. Let's get straight into it. Now for this example, we'll be working with a simple data table that tracks monthly sales and profit. Think of it as a classic business scenario. Each row has the month, sales figures, and profit for that month, so it's perfect for understanding how these numbers move together across the year. We're going to call this table Sales Data, and you'll want to have this set up in your Power BI data model before we jump in. Once you've got your data ready, open up Power BI Desktop. On the right-hand side under Visualizations, you're looking for the combo chart icon. Specifically, you want the line and clustered column chart. This combo chart is fantastic because it lets you layer two different kinds of insights. Bars for absolute values and a line for trends. Go ahead and click that icon and a blank visual will appear on your canvas. Now let's map out our data. First, drag the month field and drop it onto the axis area of the visual. This tells Power BI to plot your chart month by month along the horizontal axis. It's like laying out the months on a timeline so you can clearly see the pattern over the course of the year. Next, we want to show sales as columns. Drag your sales field into the column values area. Right away, you'll see Power BI stack up vertical bars for each month, each one reflecting the sales value. This visualizes your revenue in an intuitive way. Bigger months have taller bars, so just at a glance you can spot which months were strong. Now for the profit side, drag the profit field into the line value space. What happens now is really powerful. You get a line that weaves through the columns, showing how profit is trending alongside your sales. Think of it like overlaying a heartbeat over the revenue. It helps you spot if profits are keeping pace with sales, or if maybe there are months where you sold a lot but didn't make as much profit. Let's take a moment to make this chart look truly professional. Click on the visual so it's selected, then head to the formatting pane, here, where you can make small changes that really elevate your chart. For example, set the column color to clear blue. This makes your sales stand out sharply. Switch the line to a vibrant orange or another contrasting color so there's no confusion about which figure is which. Don't be afraid to play with the color picker until it looks just right for your brand or presentation style. Another important tweak, turn on data labels for both sales and profit. These are the number values that float right above or beside your bars and line points. They give your audience instant access to the actual numbers, saving them from guessing or hovering over each point. If you ever find things look cluttered, you can adjust the label position to keep everything neat. Finally, let's not forget about the chart title. Click into the title area and type Monthly Sales versus Profit. A good title like this makes sure anyone viewing your report knows exactly what story the chart is telling. And that's it. You've now built a clean, easy-to-read combo chart in Power BI. The bars represent your monthly sales, giving you the scale, and the line shows profit, letting you track the trend without losing context. This visual is handy for presentations, business reviews, or even just your own analysis. If this tutorial was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or tips of your own for customizing combo charts in Power BI, drop a comment below. I always love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.